Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make air fryer steak bites and mushrooms. So we're going to get started with our steak bites and mushrooms. I've got 8 ounces of mushrooms here that I'm going to chop or slice. And then we're going to cut up our cut up our steak. I'm using you can use a ribeye steak, whatever steak you want to use. Just know that the more expensive it is, of course, is the more tender it's going to be. Okay, our mushrooms are done. And now we're going to cut up our steak into bite-sized pieces. I really love these quick and easy air fryer recipes for weeknight dinners. They're perfect for, a small family. You could also double this recipe if you wanted to and maybe make it in 2 batches in your air fryer. Okay, steak is all cut up, so I'm going to put it in with the mushrooms. Okay, we're going to do a quick marinade on our steak and mushrooms. I'm going to do a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil. It's best for high heat cooking. I would not recommend olive oil. It will just burn, or butter. Butter will burn in your air fryer too. I've got some pepper and some salt and garlic powder and Worcestershire sauce, and I just made a big mess. So we're going to toss this all up and we're going to let this marinate for about an hour. If you're short on time, you can go ahead and cook it. It just, of course, it won't be as delicious if you don't let it marinate for an hour. Okay, this is ready for the refrigerator for 1 hour to marinate. Okay, our steak bites are finished marinating. So now we have already preheated our air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. I like to preheat when I'm cooking stuff like steak, just so it cooks quicker and it gets a more even color, even cooking. I've already sprayed the inside of the basket with cooking spray. So now, I'm gonna dump that in there. I'm just gonna shake it evenly. And we are gonna cook this at 400 for 5 minutes. I'm gonna shake the basket and then we'll do probably 5 more minutes until it is our desired doneness, which is going to be about medium to medium rare. I've got a meat thermometer here that I will use to check the temperature. Okay, our steak bites and mushrooms are all done and they look amazing. They're perfectly cooked. I checked them with my meat thermometer. So let me dish them out in this bowl. Let's see just how amazing they look. These steak bites get so tender. Look at that. They look delicious, amazing. Make sure you check out this recipe and these other recipes that I have linked here, and I will see you guys later. Bye.